Talking flashcards. Verbs. Yellow set. Are you ready? Here we go. Swim. Swim. Jump. Jump. Walk. Walk. Run. Run. Fly. Fly. Dance. Dance. Sing a song. Sing a song. Ski. Ski. Sleep. Sleep. Hug. Hug. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Catch a ball. Catch a ball. Climb a tree. Climb a tree. Fly a kite. Fly a kite. Drive a car. Drive a car. Ride a unicycle. Ride a unicycle. Rollerblade. Rollerblade. Take a bath. Take a bath. Watch TV. Watch TV. Read a book. Read a book. Clean my room. Clean my room. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Wash my face. Wash my face. Comb my hair. Comb my hair. You can get these flashcards and many, many more at www.mapleleaflearning.com. Please be sure to come by and check out the site, okay? Anyways, hope to see you soon. Happy teaching!